It's the same topic for a handful of these at the end. We don't need to read the last bit, but we do need to figure out what the student wants to do. And in this case, the student wants to present an overview of the study's findings. So we just highlight that for clear reference, and we're going to just highlight whatever the findings are. So we've got the student's notes on the left. Researchers in a 2021 study wanted to determine the rate at which 17 languages conveyed both information and syllables. Wonderful, nothing about the findings. They calculated the bits of information conveyed per second, the IR or information rate. The information rate was found to be approximately consistent across the 17 languages, an average of 39 bits per second. So I'm going to just highlight parts of this because that is part of the findings. And then or not choice, but our bullet that kind of fits in as D, as I was about to say here, but our fourth bullet says they calculated the number of syllables spoken per second, the SR or syllable rate, and then we get the independent statements that Spanish had the second fastest SR and Vietnamese had the 16th fastest SR, and you go, okay, well, these are just some details on syllable rate. So we've got to have an overview that's going to talk about the information rate being very similar for all 17 languages, but the syllable spoken rate is going to differ quite a bit with the examples of Spanish and Vietnamese. So starting with choice A, the 2021 study determined the information rate of 17 languages in bits of information conveyed per second. Well, this is what it did, but it doesn't provide the findings at all. Goodbye to A. Then choice B, researchers found that information was conveyed more quickly in Spanish at 7.7 syllables per second than in Vietnamese at 5.3 syllables per second. This is actually a conflation of what's stated. We've got the information rate being the same. It's just the syllables. So B is just a misinterpretation of the details. Goodbye to B. Then choice C, Vietnamese had the 16th fastest syllable rate, lower than that of Spanish, would have the second fastest. However, Spanish had the lower information rate of the two. No, all of the information rates were roughly constant, approximately consistent in that third bullet. So goodbye to C. And then choice D, though some of the languages differed in number of syllables spoken per second, all 17 conveyed information at roughly the same rate. Ding, 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 absolutely matches. It's nice and bland, though, and would be really easy to just kind of eliminate for almost an arbitrary reason if you don't engage in the highlighting up front. But